Guys, my name is Anup, and in this video again we are going to practice for comprehension skills. Yes, we would try to develop our comprehension skills. Okay, and this skill only develops when we read more and more. Yes, so this practice we are going to do again as we have already done in previous videos. So let's see what new passage we have for this practice. Okay, so now we have this new passage and I'm going to read it for you. Okay, so I'm going to read it twice for you and you just have to listen to me reading. Okay, and you have to try to understand what this passage is going to say or what this passage is saying. Yes, so you just have to pay attention to my readings. Okay, so just be focused, guys, and this is very easy, and I'm not going to translate it for you. If you want some help, so you just have to take help from your elders and parents you have around you. Okay, I'm not going to translate it in Hindi. I'm going to challenge you. Okay, so just pay attention and listen to my reading. So I'm starting it. Sheru the lion was a king of Nandanvan. Yes, Sheru Sheru the lion was a king of Nandanvan, the jungle. So there was a jungle, and the name of that jungle was Nandanvana, and Sheru was the king of that jungle. Yes, and he was a lion. Okay. He was very kind and generous. Yes, he was very kind and generous. He used to help every creature, every animal of that jungle. So he was a good king. Yes, one day, Sukhu, one day, Sukhu the rabbit came to him and said, so one day a rabbit whose name was Sukhu came to him and said, oh king, I am in big trouble. Oh king, I am in big trouble. Only you can help me. So one day a rabbit came and said to him that, oh king, I am in big trouble. Only you can help me. What is your trouble, Sukhu? The lion asked. तो लायन ने पूछा, व्हाट इज योर ट्रबल, तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है सुखू? सुखू said, a fox wanted to attack my family and feed on us. So Sukhu the rabbit said, a fox wanted to attack my family and feed on us. एक फॉक्स जो है हमारी फैमिली को अटैक करना चाहता है और हमें खाना चाहता है. Other day he attacked my child Bhuri. Yes, और वो बताता है कि other day he attacked my child Bhuri. Yes, rabbit has had a child whose name was Bhuri, and he told Sheru the lion king that the fox attacked that girl, attacked that child. Yes, so somehow I could save her. Somehow I could save her. The lion king sent his guard Kaku the elephant to call that fox. तो फिर उस गार्ड काकू को एलिफेंट सॉरी ये गार्ड था जिसका नाम जो कि एक एलिफेंट था, उसको लायन किंग ने भेजा उस फॉक्स को बुलाने के लिए. आफ्टर सम टाइम काकू केम विथ फॉक्स. आफ्टर सम टाइम काकू केम विथ फॉक्स. द किंग आस्क्ड द फॉक्स the king asked the fox about the charges Sukhu was making for him. ठीक है. The fox said, that's true, my lord, but what can I do? I have my 3 kids to look after. For them I was behind Sukhu's family. Yes, so the fox said, जब राजा ने पूछा, शेर ने पूछा कि भाई तुम्हारे ऊपर जो ये चार्ज लग रहे हैं क्या वो सही है? सो फॉक्स सेड, दैट्स ट्रू माय लॉर्ड, एकदम सही है महाराज, बट व्हाट कैन आई डू, लेकिन मैं क्या कर सकता हूं? आई हैव माय 3 किड्स टू लुक आफ्टर. मेरे भी 3 बच्चे हैं जिसकी मुझे देखभाल करनी है. फॉर देम आई वॉज बिहाइंड सुखूज फैमिली, और उनके लिए मैं सुखू के फैमिली के पीछे पड़ा हुआ हूं. यस, द लायन किंग गेव प्लेंटी ऑफ फूड टू द फॉक्स and send him back and asked him never to do so again. तो लायन गिव जैसा कि बहुत काइंड और जनरस था, उसने फॉक्स को बहुत सारा प्लेंटी ऑफ फूड दिया और कहा कि दोबारा ऐसा काम मत करना. Okay, so this was the passage and we read this passage. Okay, and if you want you can read it some more time. Yes, and then go to the questions. So let's see the first question. Who was the king of Nandanvana? Nandanvana was a forest, and who was the king of that forest, of that jungle? So options are Sukhu was the king, Sheru was the king. So who was the king of the Nandanvan? Yes, so it's B. Sheru was the king of the Nandanvana. Sheru the lion. Yes. Let's see the next question. How was the Sheru? How was the Sheru? How was the Sheru? First option is he was kind and generous. He was bad and cruel. So how was he? Was he bad or was he kind or generous? So if you have read the passage or understood it, the A option is the correct option. Yes, so he was kind and generous. वो बहुत ही दयालु था. Now, third question. Who came to the Lion King one day? Who came to the Lion King one day? कौन आया एक दिन Lion King के पास? Sukhu, sorry, Sukhi I have written here, it's you. Okay, so Sukhu the rabbit or Kaku the elephant? Who came to the Lion King one day? So it's A. Option A is correct. Sukhu the rabbit came to the Lion King one day. Yes, because he wanted to save his family from the fox. Now, the fourth question is, what did Sukhu say to the Lion King? What did Sukhu say to the Lion King? What did he say? क्या कहा? What did he say? I am very happy. Did he say this? Or he said, I am in big trouble. What did he say? Yes, so he said, I am in big trouble. So this option is correct. Yes? Okay. So, what was Sukhu's trouble? What was Sukhu's trouble? Sukhu का trouble क्या था? So the first option, Fox wanted to attack his family or Fox wanted to help him. What did Fox wanted to do with Sukhu's family? So what was his trouble? Oh, so if you have read the passage, option A is correct. Fox wanted to attack his family. उसकी family को attack करना चाहता था. Yes. So this option number A is correct. Now, we have the next question. Who did the Lion King send to bring the fox? Who did the Lion King send to bring the fox? Bring the fox. Fox को लाने के लिए who did Lion King send to? किसको भेजा? So, A option, भूरी, rabbit's daughter को भेजा और काकू the elephant. Who went to bring the fox? So, the guard, Kaku the elephant went to bring the fox to the court. Yes? Now, next question. What did the Lion King do with the fox? What did the Lion King do with the fox? क्या किया उसने fox के साथ? He gave him plenty of food or he punished him. What did Lion King do with the fox? What did he do? Did he punish him or did he give him plenty of food? So yes, option number A is correct. So he gave him plenty of food because the Lion King was very kind and generous. He didn't want to hurt someone or kill someone. He wanted everyone to be good and nice to each other. Yes, so he gave another chance to fox. ठीक है, और उसे खाना दिया और उससे कहा कि भाई दोबारा ऐसा काम नहीं करना. Yes, so guys, thank you for participating in this class and watching this. Okay, so you have to now practice it more and more. First you see me doing this in this video, and then you pause the video and do it on your own, and you can also copy it in your notebook and you can practice in written also there. Okay, and try to practice for comprehension with another passages, yes, which is given in your books and in any other resources. Yes, so thank you guys.